Welcome to Dr. JB's Sleep Chapters. This chapter is about sleep and immunity. This is episode 4. This episode and chapters are based on this publication titled The Sleep Immune Crosstalk in Health and Disease. This publication is available in the public domain. Sleep Stage N1. Sleep Stage N1 refers to a transitionary state between sleep and wake and often includes slowly rolling eye movements. Stage N2 makes up 50% of total sleep time in healthy young adults. This stage is characterized by the frequent occurrence of so-called spindles, that is waxing and waning waves of 12 to 15 Hz, and K complexes, which are single high negative deflections, which can be recorded on an EEG. Stage N3. About 20% of total sleep time is composed of sleep stage N3. It is distinguished from the other stages by a high incidence of low frequency, that's 4 Hz, high amplitude, 75 volt waves called slow waves, and is therefore also referred to as SWS or slow wave sleep. Interestingly, or originally, this sleep stage as N3 was subdivided into two stages, S3 and S4, depending on the percentage of slow waves occurring. But this distinction has now been abandoned in the new guidelines.